Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me in a new video, and a huge big happy new year to every single one of you. This is the first video that will be live on my channel in January 2018. How crazy is that? It feels so weird to be saying 2018. Whilst I was at work and I was flicking through my diary trying to find like January, and I was like, January 2017, and I was like, oh no, it's 2018 now. It's very strange. It's a very strange feeling. But I hope you all had a lovely Christmas and a happy new year. I am so glad to say that I am finally back. Yay! Hallelujah! Hallelujah! Anyway, I am back. I wanted to come on quickly and do a short little video to explain where on earth have I been. Tell you all about that and what the plans are for the upcoming videos in the year, and yeah, just have a little sit down and a little chit chat with you. So that is what today's video is going to be. It's not obviously going to be that interesting for some of you may enjoy a little update, but I do know that a lot of you have been concerned, so I'm really sorry about that. I am going to let you know now. Oh, and before we get started, if you're wondering what makeup's on my face or if I'm going to do a tutorial, there is a tutorial coming. I've just filmed it, so I will be wearing the same clothes. Hope you guys don't mind. But yeah, that will be coming maybe next week or the week after, but it is definitely coming. Number one question, where have I been? Why have I not been making videos? Why have I not been consistent on social media? What on earth have I been doing? So as you may know, I moved house recently. You guys might have seen my moving vlogs. If not, I will leave them in a little playlist down below in the description box. So that kind of took a lot out of me. Like, that was a hectic time moving, and I was vlogging at the same time, which I wanted to do. I tried not to put pressure on myself, but I did, because I just stress out over the simplest things. It's a bad habit, but I know I've got it. So I did put a little bit of stress and a little bit of pressure on myself, and moving vlogs took so much of my time that I never did any sit down videos. Because of that, I then didn't pre-film for Christmas, which I did last year. I did like 10 days in a row. I pre-filmed loads of videos so that I didn't have that stress. So because everything was up in the air about like, oh, I didn't have a makeup room, I didn't have a filming background, it just wasn't the best time, and I wasn't in the mindset to film. So there was a couple of weeks where I didn't have a video. But then as I was going into December, let me tell you, work was so hectic, so hectic. If you don't know what my job is, I'm a beauty therapist and nail technician. I think that is one of the most hectic jobs you can have probably at Christmas time, because everybody was wanting their nails done, everyone was wanting a spray tan, their eyebrows, of course. So I got messages left, right and centre, which I'm so grateful for, from clients asking for appointments. I'm really lucky that I got so much business in December, because I know January will be a little bit of a more quiet month. So yeah, I'm really grateful for that. However, I have a huge big issue with saying no, and I ended up working like 7 to 8 hour weeks. It was absolutely crazy. I was coming home, eating, going to bed, getting back up, working for like 13 hours, coming home, eating, going to bed. I had no time for myself, no time for my family, no time to wash my hair. I didn't even wash my hair for like 8 days in a row, which is disgusting. But between all of that, I genuinely had no time to film. And if I'm honest, it was the last thing on my mind. I would never have wanted to come and sit down and chat away to you guys after chatting for 13 hours and having a big smile on my face, because obviously when you go to the salon, you're getting your nails done or you're getting whatever done, you want to feel happy, and I am happy for those people, but sometimes it was getting to a stage where it was like this fake happiness. I was just smiling because I had to, but inside I was crying because I was so tired and so fed up of working so many hours. So that is definitely a lesson learned for this year, this Christmas, if I'm still doing this job, which I hope I am. I'm definitely not going to be too busy. I'm just going to set my hours and I'll fit the customers into those set hours. That was the biggest part of the fact that I didn't have time to make videos or edit it and upload it. And to be honest, I didn't really want to either. I had no motivation, which really made me upset, because this is such a good hobby. I love this hobby. I love doing it. Love sitting down and chatting to y'all. Even though you're not here. That sounds really weird, but I feel like you are. I feel like I'm talking to somebody. So yeah, I didn't have the energy even to pick up my phone or think, what will I take a picture of for Instagram, or what kind of post will I write, and even Snapchat. I was bad on Snapchat, but I started getting back into that kind of Christmassy time, started Snapchatting, and now I'm going to go back into my Instagram, and now I'm going to be back on YouTube too. So yes, I've built myself up, but I am back. So today's video is obviously just a chatty one. Hope you don't mind that. I didn't want to just come out in the woodwork and be like, hello, I'm back, and not tell you where I've been. So yeah, that's why I wanted to do this. But coming up, I'm going to be doing a what I got for Christmas video. I was going to film this today, but I've already filmed 2 videos and I'm feeling a little tired. I mean, it is New Year's Eve, so I'm due a little break. I'm going to have a glass of wine and some cocktail sausages. Classy. But yeah, I'm going to have this makeup tutorial that I spoke about. So I'm going to be uploading this, obviously to date you're watching this. Wednesday I'm going to have a video, and Sunday I'm going to have a video. Then next week I'm going to try and do 2 videos as well, and try and do 2 videos a week. Although I'm only going to say that I do 1 video on a Sunday, but I'm going to try and do 2. So that at least you'll have an extra bonus video on like a Wednesday. The channel content is still going to be the same. I'm going to be doing makeup tutorials, hauls, what else did I do on this channel? Like get ready with me's, etc, reviews and that, so all that's going to stay the same. I'm also thinking about maybe setting myself a goal of perhaps reaching 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I don't know if that's maybe a little bit much, but right now we're just under 6,000 subscribers. So it's only like 4,000 to go, which is crazy to think of, like that's a huge number. But I'm thinking maybe I should set that goal and work towards it. So yeah, if you would like to help me out with that by subscribing, if you've not already, or sharing the video with your friends or on your social media, then that would really help me out and I would very much appreciate it. Yeah, I feel like I've just rambled on for how long? 6 minutes I think? 6 minutes of rambling. Hopefully that's cleared some things up. I'm really sorry for being gone for so long. Trust me, it was not through choice. I really wish I had the time and motivation to do it because I love making these videos. So yeah, I think I'm going to go now. I'm off to edit this video and upload it for tomorrow. Like I say, I hope you've had... Oh, actually, it says going up on New Year's Day. I said Happy New Year. Yeah, Happy New Year! It's New Year's Day today. Hope you're having a lovely time with your family or your friends, having a big meal, having a drink. And I will see you on Wednesday with a what I got for Christmas video. Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye!